you would rather be home, di ba? There's nothing like being where you belong and living in the country of your birth. Or kahit may mga dito pinanganak, if you were born and raised here, your roots are in the Philippines. There's no Christmas in the world like Christmas in the Philippines. Nothing like it, nothing. There is no home in any part of the Philippines that will not welcome you when you need food and you need shelter. Minsan mangungutang pa tayo para lang yung bisita natin komportable, masarap ang kinakain, hindi ba? Mapagmahal tayo, mapangalaga. In fact, I'm doing a movie right now. I just started. It's called Caregiver. Straight to the point. And you know, I was reading the script. It's hitting me right here because that's why I'm talking like this. I say, we hear the words, OFW, bagong bayani, but we can only imagine very little of what every person that has to leave the Philippines for a couple of years, has to go through. Kayo, God bless you if you've lived here with your families for some time now. But a lot of us back home have to leave for a few years and leave our families behind and not end up in a country as beautiful as Canada, right? So, my wish is that someday, isang tabi na, masa isang tabi na, ang lahat ng pamumulitika sa bansa natin, na for once naman, magkaisa na lahat ng Pilipino at unahin ang kapakanan ng bansa. Nakakasama natin. I know what I'm talking about because my father is a mayor for longest serving public servant in history. Almost ended up in the Guinness. True, seriously. And then my husband now is a senator. There's nothing like politics in the Philippines. I know one day that'll come, but wherever you find yourselves, you're here now. Let no one tell you any different or make you feel any different. You are Filipino. And wherever you go, you must be proud of that. Ang ako'y mahalin ka, likas sa aking puso at hikapin kay ganda sa Pilipinas ng aking bayan. Nantay na pelas ng silanganan, waring at himo ng kayamanan ng may kapal. Bigay sa aking pag-ibig